It's well known that astronauts do not enjoy their food in space. So what we are trying to do at RMIT is to try and develop a strategy to understand how do astronauts taste food in space using virtual reality. One of the problems that we are reading in the literature is that astronauts tend to not meet the 100% nutrition requirement when they are traveling in space. So this is a problem because this means that we don't know if we can travel beyond the 6 months or one year in space. So what we've done is we first create an immersive International Space Station environment using virtual reality. And we try and create this environment so that we can actually test different types of food in this virtual reality environment. And we had participants come in and we rated their responses of different types of aroma. What we found through this study is that people are different in terms of how they smell different types of aroma.
All these aromas that we studied has their unique chemical profiling. However, when it comes to vanilla and almond, there's a common chemical compound called benzaldehyde, which gives a sweet aroma. So in our study, we believe that it's this sweet aroma that gives that high intensity within the VR setting.
So to date, we've seen astronauts living in low Earth orbit on board the International Space Station. And missions are typically no longer than 6 months in duration. What we're going to see in the future with the Artemis missions are much longer missions, years in length, and in particular when we go to Mars. So we really need to understand the problems with diet and food and how crew interact with their food. The incredible thing with this VR study is that it really does go a very long way to simulating the experience of being on the space station. And it really does change how you smell things and how you taste things.
It's not only about astronauts, but this could have implications for other people living in similar socially isolated environments, such as nursing homes. Well, the next thing that we're trying to do is to create a more immersive environment. So we are creating and including more realistic sounds as well as more realistic visual graphics so that people are feeling more immersed and engaged in this kind of environments.